FreeAgent is an intuitive cloud-based accounting software designed for freelancers, small businesses, and contractors. Here's how beginners can get started. Sign up and set up your account. Visit FreeAgent and create an account. Enter your business type, name, currency, and accounting start date. Connect your bank account. Link your bank account to FreeAgent under the Banking tab. This enables automatic transaction imports for streamlined expense and income tracking. Add clients and suppliers. Navigate to the contact section and add details for your clients and suppliers. This helps with invoicing and tracking payments. Create and send invoices. Go to Work, Invoices, click Add New and design professional invoices with your branding. Include payment terms, client details, and itemized services or products. Send invoices via email directly from FreeAgent. Record expenses. Log expenses manually in the Expenses tab or upload receipts using the mobile app. Categorize expenses for accurate bookkeeping. Track taxes and reports. Use the tax timeline to monitor upcoming deadlines for VAT, corporation tax, or self-assessments. Generate reports like profit and loss to evaluate your financial performance. Learn integrations. Integrate FreeAgent with tools like PayPal, Stripe, and Zapier to enhance workflow.